Come test drive the 2015 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.